So friends, let's see today's homemade Falooda recipe. Now first I'm going to start by soaking 1 tablespoon of sabza seeds. It's easily available in any grocery store. I'm going to soak it in half a cup of water for at least 15 to 20 minutes till they double up in size and swell up. So this is the black seeds that you see in the Falooda. They actually double up in size and they're really nice and crunchy to have in the Falooda. Now I've taken 1 tablespoon of custard powder. I'm using the vanilla flavor. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk, which is at room temperature. Give it a good mix and make it nice and lump free. Now here I've just boiled 1 liter of milk and I'm going to add this custard powder mix with the milk into it. Now basically we're not going to form a thick custard. We just want to thicken up the milk. So it shouldn't be a runny consistency but a little bit of a thicker consistency. So this will just help in thickening up the milk. So you can add any flavor, you can even add strawberry flavor. I'm using vanilla. So we're just going to mix it for just a minute or so and then turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. So we don't want to thicken it up like a custard. That's why we've added just 1 tablespoon of custard powder. We don't want to make it very thick, but we wanted to have a little, a thick runny consistency. So now let the milk come to a room temperature. And now we're going to add, now either you add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of the ruafza liquid, but I have this gulab sharbat mix which is similar to the ruafza taste. So I'm just going to add 2 full packets of this. So you can add it according to your taste. Now both of this, the ruafza as well as the sharbat powder, both have got sugar in it. So give the mixture a taste, and if you want it more on the sweeter side, then just add some sugar. But I'm not adding any sugar because I don't want it to be extra sweet. So mix everything really well together and then you get this beautiful pink color, and even the aroma is different. You get this typical Falooda aroma. So now I'm going to drain the sabza seeds and I'm just going to rinse it with some water and then drain all the excess water. So now you can see that they've swollen up and really doubled up in size. And when you add this to the Falooda, it really adds a nice different texture and a nice crunch to it. Now if some of you don't like this, then you can skip this part also. Now I'm also going to add some cooked up shevaya or vermicelli. Now this is also completely optional. You can watch the video till the end. I will just show you how to cook this vermicelli. And now I'm going to add the sabza, also about 2 big tablespoons. You can add as much or as little as you like. Mix everything really well together. And now I'm going to add some ice cubes to fasten the process of cooling down the milk. This is also completely optional, but I like to add the ice cube because it gives a nice chilled effect to the Falooda. And then I'm going to put this into my refrigerator for at least an hour. You can keep it longer also to get it even more on the chiller side. And then when you're ready to serve it, you're just going to take a nice tall glass and just pour it into the glass. Now you can add more of the shevaya. I don't like too much of it. That's why I'm not put too much of it. My family also doesn't like too much of the shevaya in it. So I'm not going to add too much of the vermicelli. And then just add some dollops of lovely vanilla ice cream or whatever flavor of ice cream you like. And then all you have to do is just garnish it with some lovely chopped up nuts. So I'm using almonds and cashew nuts and pista. And your lovely homemade Falooda is all ready to enjoy. Give today's recipe a try. share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video.